shredding with a purpose. These machines aren't just smashing things, they're paving the way for innovation. Get ready to witness the power behind the process. "134 teeth, 600 horsepower, one mission to crush nature's toughest foes." Cranbow doesn't just bite, it devours. What happens when you put a lighter under a hydraulic press? Watching how fast accidents can happen with wood chippers really makes you value every finger and toe. Safety should always come first. They roll. They fight back, but nothing can escape those steel jaws. Seriously, wow. That was my first reaction, seeing the Moose Reiner wood saw in action. It's so fast and precise, it's almost hard to believe. I've never seen anything quite like it. If you're into firewood processing, you definitely need to check this out. Metal crushing is not just about destroying things. It is efficient, clean, and reuses materials that still have value. It is exciting to see scrap metal turned into something useful. The process makes sense from every perspective. If you're serious about getting the most out of your sawmill, the Raver WD-1400 is worth a look. It can handle large logs of any wood type, which is a big plus. The optical system for removing bark is very accurate, so there's less waste and more usable lumber. It runs smoothly and rarely breaks down, so you get more done with less hassle. That satisfying crunch of bark and wood, like nature's bubble wrap meets German engineering. The VZ750D turns timber into chips with ease. Watch how smoothly the Biber 84 material handling system works. The automated feed boosts output, and the high-performance chipper delivers top-quality wood chips. Its advanced air-powered discharge system moves materials efficiently. The Taurus G10's box shear system provides powerful cutting force, perfect for heavy-duty metal scrap. It's compact but incredibly strong. Who would have thought crushing a Coke can could be so fun to watch? When it pops, it's like a mini fireworks show, just without the danger. It's hard to watch perfectly good stuff get crushed, but maybe these pieces will be turned into something even better. Hopefully the end result is worth it. Anyone know what they'll make from this? Do they have a checklist before crushing these old cars? Like draining the oil, gas, freon, and stuff? You really don't want fluids leaking everywhere. I've seen too many accidents when people skip those steps. Old cars can still be dangerous if not handled properly. It's not just about smashing, it's about doing it safely. The H10's special knife design cuts rubber flash cleanly, with less wear and better use of torque. Watching these excavators load wood chips onto the ship feels like trying to fill a swimming pool with an eyedropper. Pretty accurate comparison. It looks like a big bottleneck. Wouldn't a conveyor belt system be faster and use less fuel? Just seems like the wrong equipment for the job. This is nature's cycle, just with a little help from a machine. Trees and branches are turned into nutrient-rich compost and returned to the soil to help new life grow. It's a perfect loop that makes sure nothing goes to waste. A smart and responsible process. This excavator takes apart car bodies with power and precision. Every crunch is controlled and deliberate. That New Holland tractor is seriously powerful. Burning 10 to 16 gallons of diesel per hour really puts things into perspective. Makes me wonder how many homes could be heated with the wood chips it produces. What do you all think about how much fuel it uses? The SSI shredder makes shredding pumpkins look easy, thanks to its ideal rotor speed and smart cutter design for handling organic waste. What a great spot to watch everything work so smoothly. Drying that cherry wood for 2 years first is a smart move. It makes better burning chips. From here, you can see how well the Salado PTH 900 runs, producing even G50 chips for heating. This whole setup is a smart, practical way to be self-sufficient with winter fuel. Listen to the soft hum and sharp snap as the rotary shear gently cuts through plastic. This setup is impressive. The two-pocket rotor on the 6400T is a smart design. Fewer, deeper cuts mean larger chips and less wear. And with just one person running the machine and stacking high with the loader, that's peak workflow efficiency right there. Are those rice cakes? If they are, what do they do with the shredded pieces afterward? It's interesting, but I'm curious about the final product. No extras, just pure power. The RS1 LAC 10,130 shreds cubitaners like a pro. Clean, tough, and built to get the job done. Dude, check out this slick manual log splitter. It works with a lever and uses kinetic energy, boosted by a Volvo car spring. The best part, you can split wood all day without wearing out your arm. Compared to engine-powered saws, it's way simpler. Just two main moving parts, the pivot and the spring.